Hi YouTube. In this video tutorial I will show how to program Arduino for a direct online motor starter with forward and reverse ability. The circuit consists of three buttons. One is the stop button, one is for the forward direction and the other is for the reverse direction. When the forward direction button is pressed, the motor will be spin at the forward direction, and with the stop button is pressed, the motor will have to stop. Then if we want to start again the motor at every direction, a specific time is used that the motor won't start. We use that time to avoid the violent starting of the motor. As example, if we run at the forward direction and we stop the motor, not at the next step, let's say at the next 2 seconds the motor starts spinning at the reverse direction, because with that way we will violate the motor and maybe we damage it. So to avoid this, we use this time. Actually, this video is very similar to our first video tutorial of this playlist. Just one more pin, just 2 more pins are added, the pin 6 and the pin the pin 8, and the program has the same structure as the first video. Something more that is added at this code is the interlocks. That's what means the interlock. If the motor running at the forward direction and we press a button, when we press the reverse direction button, the motor won't change the direction. Just the circuit don't understand that what happens. It's a mistake of the user. So the circuit must still act as was. So this is the basic interlock, the thinking of the interlock, that we use here, this interlock. But to have this interlock, we won't use any contact or whatever. Just our interlocks are in the if statements, basically. That what means that the first if is the if that spins the motor at the forward direction. So we don't have any condition what will happen when that button pressed. So nothing won't change because the program running that loop until the stop button is pressed, or we have an overload error. The same for the reverse direction. So it's how an interlock acts at the C++ code using Arduino. That is the base key. The same happens at the second if, which is for the motor running at the reverse direction. Here's the one my mistake, excuse me. So the motor will still run at the reverse direction until the start button is pressed. The code will not understand that it's happened. So we will secure that if we press the wrong button when the motor rotates, that will still rotate. It won't stop or whatever. The motor will stop only when the stop button or the thermal overload, when the stop button is pressed or the thermal overload happens. And we have also a delay for that. That's our code. That's how the base of our code. Also we will again use this function, and this is our base. That's how we will test for our next video. You can download the code from the description. for further study or whatever you want. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Until then, bye.